So I'm going to make a food storage box. This is my inspiration here. I don't know. I haven't even started. I think it was Sam's mum that once told me, once you make your bed, that's one accomplishment for the day, and if you get nothing else done, that's okay. Morning, I'm all showered. I finished having my morning meeting with my kids. They are adorable, and so I'm going to do a few different projects today, which I'm going to take you along for. Outside. I have a massive headache though, so I am hoping that it doesn't get any worse than it is right now. Hey guys, so if you don't know, the other day Victoria put in a new rule where you had to wear a mask whenever you went out of your house. So I found this pattern for homemade masks on YouTube, and my sister and I whipped up a few really quick the Wednesday night so that we had enough ready for the Thursday rule. Is it rule? What would you call it? New restriction? New law? Is it a law? I mean, it's enforced by police. Anyways, I've got a few more that I'd like to make for a few more family members and a few friends. So I'm just going to quickly show you how I do some of those. So I finished my very first mask, yay, and I've got a few more that I need to do, but first I'm going to try get down to Bunnings, which is our local hardware store, and I'm going to get a couple of things for my yurt project. I have my box for Sam's care package, which I'm going to pack with some goodies based on some instructions that we gave each other. If you're curious to see what I'm going to put inside my box for Sam and what Sam is going to put in his for me, then you're just going to have to subscribe and stick around for the next video. Hey guys, as you can see, it's the next day. I'm in some new clothes. I had the absolute worst headache last night, and it turned into a migraine by the end of the day because I tried to power on, but it just was not going away, and by the end of it I had to nap it off. I couldn't even have my lunch. So I'm going to make a food storage box. This is my inspiration here. Let's make a food storage box. That's kind of really scary right next to my face. It looks cute. This drill actually has lots and lots of features on it. No idea what they all do, but good to know that it's there. Anyways, I've had fun with my drill. I've messed around with it, but let's get back to it. I actually need to measure first. Problem. I've measured their dog food bag and it's huge. I don't know. I haven't even started. realized I don't have enough wood. This is why they say to measure before you go and buy your supplies, but the project must go on. This feeling like it's going to be a 3-day project. I have all my pieces marked out and measured. All that's left to do now is to cut them up and screw them together. I'm going to try use the drop saw that we bought a little while ago for the first time. I'm absolutely petrified. It's day 3 and I'm determined to get these pieces of wood cut so that I can start putting my project together. Hopefully, no headache, no setbacks, and let's get this project finished. Having 2 drills when we build the yurt, mine and Sam's, is going to be incredible because having to swap these over every time is quite annoying. Massive achievement. Like, I've never built anything before from scratch. This is really exciting. Will it